by ano yung Z? 120 angle of 90 over 120 angle of 90 plus 120 angle of 90. Ayan yung coefficient na 1. Ayan. Since hindi naman natin siya mas-shift solve, isa-isayin natin. So, 120 angle of 90 over 120 angle of 90 plus 120 angle of 90, 1/2. So, right lang, 1 plus 120 angle of 90 over R, 1/2 is equal to 1. And then magiging 1 plus 120 angle of 90 over R is equal to 2. Then transpose natin yung 120 angle of 90 over R is equal to 1. Then pwede na natin shift solve. Hindi pwede, pero pwede natin transpose yung R. Ayan. So, yung R natin is equal to 120 angle of 90. And also yung R2 is equal to 120 angle of 90. Ayan. So, yun lang. I hope may natutunan tayo. Thank you for watching. That concludes the solution for this op-amp circuit problem. I hope this tutorial helped you understand buzzer form and gain in a simpler way. Thank you for watching and have a great day.